Let's start with this small experiment. I have my photos photo, as you can see. Well, let me say that I accidentally delete all the photos in the folder, but the folder below to this hard drive P of photos. But let me do another thing. Let's say that accidentally I format the drive. Okay? Yeah, it's in use, but format complete. Now go inside, it's empty. And of course the recycled bin is empty. The big question is how I can recover the partition, the hard drives or my photos. Let's see it. It's time to recover my lost files. For that, I'm going to use MyRecover. I have all the hard drive. Let me do a disk data recovery over advanced recovery options because I already formatted the drive. I'm here. I'm going to select this one, photos, run the scan. And it's just a matter to wait until finish. Well, look, it's seen that he's recognized something. There is one of the photo. Wow, 65 found. Nice. Found 28 files. Let's review. Images. PNG. Wow. Yeah, it's true. That are the lost images. And basically, those are all my photos. Well, my missing photos. Nice, so let me select the entire images. Documents. Let me see it. TXT files. Okay, yeah, why not? Click on recover. We need to select another position. For example, this local C drive. Let me select a folder or create a new one. My photos. Oh, wait, my recovered photos. Better. Select folder. Nice. Successfully recovered. Let me click on browse. So, over my recovered photos, I have disk tree as the identification for my drive. Documents, pre-organized, TXT files, okay? But the most important thing, images. JPEG. Wow, yes. That are all my images, my lost images that I not just deleted and emptied the recycle bin. I just format the drive. And the software is able to recover the lost files even if I format the drive. And the most important thing, the most important advice in order to have a happy recover. How to recover business file from corrupted internal hard drive or any file. Well, follow this simple rule. Stop using the drive immediately and avoid saving new data. Then use MyRecover to extract important files as soon as possible. Hurry up, recover your lost files. 30 days unconditional money-back warranty. Even if you use the free version, you are going to get technical support during business hour. And you can recover for free up to 500 megabytes. And never worry again about losing any files. Enjoy the 30% discount using this code. Check the link in the description down below. We wish you a happy recovery. Many thanks to MyRecover to trust in time to videos, your channel. Remember, see you on the next one.